Hello guys. Oh my god guys, may hinila akong uod. Akala ko maikli lang na uod, pag hila ko mahaba. Oh my god. Sabi kong ganon, binitawan ko pero sabay sigaw. Ay, hindi ko ine-expect guys na yung uod pala ng langka is long like that. Like that, Diyos ko. Lumaki yung mata ko, binitawan ko siya sabay sigaw kasi ine-expect ko siya yung parang yung worm ng butterfly. Di ba maikli lang yun, yung ganon. At saka hindi siya nakakatakot. Diyos ko, yung sa langka pala, ang haba. Hindi ko ine-expect, Diyos ko, Ginoo. Ayun guys, masaya ako. Tingnan mo guys, ang laki-laki na ng ng langka ko. Hanggang dito na yan, oh. Hanggang dito. Dito. Yan. Ito yung langka na binalot ko. Nakauna-unahang binalot ko. Sana nga nung dumating ako, nagbalot ako. Siguro nakakain ako ng hinog na langka, no. Pero alam mo guys, one of this is there's a worm. Yeah. Hindi na ako magta-try manghila ng worm ng langka. Diyos ko, ang haba pala guys. Parang ganun kahaba, oh. Kasi 'di ba, it's holding inside too. That I cannot pull it out. And then humaba siya. Diyos ko, nakakatakot. Yun guys, alam mo guys, itong langka ko na to, binalot-balot ko, may mga laman na siya. I'm waiting that it smells good because if it's ready to cut or eat, it smells different. Yeah, and I'm waiting that it's gonna be more, but lately na mga langka, mga jackfruits, yung mga branches niya, this branches is small, and then if the jackfruit is like this only, the small one like that, it's happened that it's falling down. You cannot expect the biggest one. If it's the branches of langka is look like big, is the fruits branches, ayun guys, yung hindi nalalaglag, ayun yung babalutin mo. Maghahanap ka ng langka na malaki yung branches like this, it's hanging down like that, diba? There's a branches, and then you need to pack, you need to start to pack the sacks like this earlier, or else it's come na a lot of worms. And don't ever try guys to pull it out. It's scary, honestly. It's very scary. First time na nanghila ako ng worm ng langka. Diyos ko, hindi ko ini-expect guys, ang haba pala. Ayun, yun lang guys. By the way, thank you for watching. God bless you all. Kung gusto niyo ng langka, magbalot-balot kayo kasi ang langka kasi nalalaglag na lang ka, manghihinayang ka kasi, oh my god, it's falling down because of worm. Ayun, yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.